Today I have a Acer TableMate P214 laptop, and this laptop problem is some of keys are not working, and today I will fix this laptop. Let's see. You can see here Y, U is working, I, L, and other some of key are not working, and because that's why we are not logging this laptop. Today I will solve this problem. Okay, boss, let's start and open it. I will open all this screw from the button cover. Okay, remove the battery connector. After that, disconnect the keyboard connector from here. You just clean this connector. Okay, sometimes some of line are missing. For cleaning this connector, I am using the rubber. And here is so many dust. I can see this. Disconnect this connector. Keyboard connector is clean, and let's power up this. Let's see what happened. It's work or not. Plug in the charger. Press the power button. Let's see. Y, U, I, O, L, and everything is working as well as good. Okay, viewers, let's log in this, and every key are working. Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P, and A, S, T, F, G, H, J, K, L, and all are working as well as good. Okay. Of this Acer laptop, here is some customized setting of the keyboard, and you can see here is a function and none lock. When I activate this number lock, you can see J work for the 1, K work for the 2, and L work for the 3. Okay, and this is the customized setting, and sometimes we forget this option and we thought that the keyboard is working as wrong way. Okay, you just remember this number lock here and function and F12 or number lock. And when I inactive this number lock, and you can see this here J, K, L is working perfectly. Okay, viewers, thanks for watching.